Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today our menu is going to be pumpkin custard, okay? Remember I took you guys to the pumpkin field in Texas that we go outdoor and have so much fun, and many people asking me, do you know how to cook something or make something out of pumpkin? I said yes. My family always cook something like this all the time, dessert basically, okay? So I'm gonna show you the ingredient we have today. Of course, pumpkin, right? And I have palm sugar, which is right here, palm sugar, salt, coconut cream. Coconut cream isหัวกะทิ, okay? And then I like to put like rice flour a little bit. The reason of that to make it more thicker texture, okay? Some people don't want to put on because they like it nice and soft, but I like mine a little bit, okay? And we have ingredient here, and of course we have the Pandan. Yes, you know, ใบเตย ใบเตย. You know, if you don't have, you can call. Most of grandma, they love to grow in their garden somehow. Every house almost have this, okay? Like when I'm a little girl, when I was a little girl, I can run anywhere and get free, okay? I don't buy this stuff, all right? Okay, let's get started. First of all, what would you do when the pumpkin come from supermarket or the field is really dirty, okay? If you take a look really carefully, it's really dirty. You have to take to the sink and take a bath for them first. Clean them first before you cook them, okay? Okay, let's go to the sink. Water here, and I go ahead and put my pumpkin here. And take a bath for my pumpkin, get it nice clean, especially the bottom, and ขวดมัน okay, like right here. See how it's like kind of like brown a little bit? You wanna kind of like make sure you clean it real good. Okay, and then rinse it. You see how dirty water was? A little dirty, right? Then I go ahead and rinse my pumpkin again. Keep it nice clean. You know, anything that comes from grocery, you guys have to rinse it real good first. Make sure no dust, no nothing in here. Okay? See, I meant dust. Pumpkin, take a bath. Okay, before you cut your pumpkin, for the safety, okay, the pumpkin is very smooth. If you just put on the table, they might roll while you cut and you might accidentally cut yourself, okay? So for safety, I put the towel underneath my here, and I put the tray and put the towel underneath here. After my pumpkin take a bath, look how dirty the towel was. You see, I told you have to clean it, and you don't know what underneath there, okay? Even you think the pumpkin is clean, but they're not, okay? So you want to use one big knife, one small knife, okay? And then I have learned from the mistake when I cut my pumpkin. You know, when I first learned how to do it, I make it like little tiny hole. When I steam my pumpkin, they don't cook inside. So I'm gonna kind of like go ahead and use, you know, anything to kind of like measure, make sure it's big enough, okay? To have the, I put like, you know, make the hole into my pumpkin, okay? Okay. So, if I just gonna go ahead and estimate first, okay? You know, you just draw whatever, and then if you think like it's too big, you can change your mind, but don't cut yet. But I have this cup. I think this is gonna be good for this side. I mean, if you know how to do exactly what you want, you can go ahead cut them. But I like to do something that I be sure I know how to do it, okay? See? เห็นบ่มันเป็นม้วนพอดีเลยเนาะ Okay. See, after I use that cup, you know, and line it up, you see how like it's kind of like the line up for me, and then I be able to see that even or not. So it just kind of like guideline for me. You know what I mean? Gentle, get into it, go around it, no? See, it's hard to cut, that's why I use a towel. Even I have a towel, the pumpkin try to run away from me. And keep doing this all around, okay? รุ่นโอเคturnฮะโอ้เป็นจังสันตัวน่า nice อ่ะ and then this one go ahead cut this part ตัดทิ้งไปเลยให้มันงามSo you're gonna use at the cap, okay? But when you stream the pumpkin, separate them. You see how it's big, and you can stop the custard in easy, and then it's when you stream, the streamer get in easy, and you can clean easier too, okay? จะเอา my spoon scoop my ice cream บวงไอศครีม see?สะอาดบ่ then you go rinse the water again and clean it real good okay until มันบ่มีหยัง in there nothing that you can feel in there okay let's rinse okay now you wanna put the water and rinse it inside real good okay เอามือจอกเข้าไปให้มันสะอาดนะ okay and then I'm gonna go ahead and put in here in the net and fade down like this, okay? And make sure the water all out from the pumpkin. Okay, let's go make. Okay, let's make the custard. Okay, we have the egg here, and let's get started. เนาะงี้มันสกอนเดอร์อันนี้นะงี้มันสกอนใบเตยเนี่ยงี้มันสกอนโอเควางใบเตย put use the bowl and then use the egg. And brown egg, I just want the yolk, just to keep like more like yellow looking. See the different color a little bit. I'll show you in a minute. Okay. See, I don't know you can tell the difference, but this is from the brown egg and that's from the white egg. The white egg is lighter yolk, that one is more yellow. So it's get more like colorful and texture better, okay? Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the... Okay, put some flour there. Now I go ahead and work that. You want to work this one first, okay? Flour is always hard to work with. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add sugar. You know, it's up to you. I like my little sweet. If you don't like sweet, you can cut it off, okay? Just use your own adjustment on your taste of food, okay? And now you have to understand the custard have to you eat with the pumpkin, so you want your custard to be a little bit sweet and creamy, you know. Salt. I just keep doing this until the sugar is melting together with the egg, and then I'm gonna add some coconut cream into it, okay? Coconut cream is huakati, okay? That's why coconut cream is different, a little bit different from coconut milk. They're more thicker, more creamy. Leaf. Now I go ahead and add my coconut cream. Okay, after I mix well, so I go ahead kind of like stir like this for a few minutes. Okay, the reason I do that, I want to make sure my sugar and coconut, everything mixed really well. Okay, and now you want to use the net like this and the bowl like that. Okay, put on top like this, and then เอาผ้าขาวบางผ้าบางยาวผ้าอ้อมนะผ้าขาวบาง okay, like that, put over. Then okay, see, you use the cotton sheet, the white clean one for the filter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead put everything in here, pour it in there. See, it's look like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead grab my towel, corner to corner. Then I'm gonna go ahead lift it up. You know, I don't squeeze. I just squeeze well, squeeze, but not too hot. Very gentle. I mean, take time. Squeeze just help a little bit, but not too hard. Home. Okay, perfect. And this you throw away, okay? See? Look how beautiful underneath there. Now I want to pour all the custard cream that I made. Put in the cup like this so it's easy when you fill up the pumpkin, okay? I'm gonna set here. You wanna use the nut like this, okay? Don't use anything that thick. Have to go through. Don't use something like that, okay? Don't use it on the bowl. Try to find something is go through or thin or even bamboo net that they make. That is really good too. And what I do, I just want my pumpkin to be, make sure it's like not go through the net. I use a banana leaf, okay? So I use 3 sheets. I'm lucky I have this in my refrigerator, so I'm gonna go like that, okay? 3 sheets like that, okay? And banana leaf is easy to cook through. See, that's perfect, right? And they help support my pumpkin too. See? Okay. Okay, so you see the banana leaf and the nut, everything is perfect. And the banana leaf help support my pumpkin. Make sure it's not move anywhere, okay? And I love the old-fashioned people. They use all kind of stuff they have from the garden, you know? Okay, lun. Okay, when you open, be careful. Make sure the water don't get into the dessert. Ooh, look at that. พอดีงามเนาะ เอา on any stick that you have. Okay, what you need to do, go ahead, turn off the heat. You already checked your pumpkin and now let it cool down, okay, to the room temperature, okay? I'll go ahead, take this out from the heat, like that. Okay, pumpkin finish. Okay, so now you can do this for Halloween party or Thanksgiving. Okay, and when you put something like this go to the table, people gonna love it. Okay, it's dessert and it's homemade. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna go to my family. I just cover like this, put on my lap, and I'm gonna say, come on, let's go to the party, guys. Let's go. Bye bye. ลาก่อน